I think the roof, if I had one word to say, is magnificent. I think it's added value to our home that Don built in 1990.
We were looking at a new roof because the roof that was on the house was 30 years old plus. So it was time for a change. You know, the way the economy is right now is better time to change than in 5 years. The cost, we don't know what the cost will be in 5 years. So that's why we kind of decided to look forward to getting a new roof put on. And I saw the interlock roof on a house on Chemainus Road, and I liked what I saw, so I made a call to them.
And this roof up here, my house now looks like the Taj Mahal. It's beautiful. We love it. Love it. I do. I first saw the first tower go up. I was picking up my mail. I was picking up my granddaughter from school, and I was picking up my mail on the corner, and I caught a glint of gold out of the corner of my eye. And I thought, oh my God, that's my house. That's gonna look beautiful. They had only done a tiny portion, only the first turret, but it was spectacular. And it takes on a different color in the rain, in the sun shines on it. Sometimes it looks like copper, sometimes it looks like gold. The first time it rained, we had the roof on for about 6 weeks. I woke up in the middle of the night to the sound of, it sounded like music playing, very melodic. The sound was amazing. It would be like getting an app on your phone and paying somebody to make music for you. It was lovely, really nice. I love the sound. It's a different sound than the Cedar Shake, but one I highly recommend. Puts you right back to sleep.
Well, that took a while. You know, I had to, well, first I asked for a price on it, and when they came back, I took my time because I had to explore other companies and their quotes and what they would provide. So it was like about 6 weeks or 8 weeks before I finally decided.
Yeah, it was a couple of months because Randall showed up. Randall did a great presentation and left some very nice brochures behind, and he did not pressure us whatsoever. He said, you won't find a roof like this. He did a really good presentation, and it still took us until the end of June to sign the contract. So it took us 2 months. And in the meantime, our sons, Adam and Jesse, and Luke and Jake, both told us companies to call and get other quotes. And Apples for Apples Interlock came up the winner. Don got to pick the profile out of the brochures, and I got to pick the color. I highly recommend Interlock, and people have asked me, and I have given out their number. The guys were here like every day working. Some days it was in the high 90s, and they were here. Just Balad was amazing, the head guy, but all the guys were really nice. Worked late into the night, came every single day for 7 weeks except Sundays. I don't think they missed a day. Some days they cut out early when it was reached 100 degrees here, but I mean, hats off to them. They were great. And also no accidents. They were here almost 7 weeks without any accidents, and this roof is pretty steep. So to get through that and nothing broken, yeah, because we're an operating business, that was very important.
And the other thing I really liked about Interlock is the warranty system on it is 50 years, and that is far beyond any other roofing company's warranty.